emergency! Look at the radar, Dinopuff! A giant cotton candy storm is in Toy Town! The bridge is broken!
The toy cars are stuck! We need our biggest machine! Activate the Rescue Mega-Mech! Let's go! Oh no, the bridge is broken down. A cotton candy storm is in the town. The little cars are stuck and cannot go. But we are here to help, just watch the show. Here comes the Mega-Mech, strong and tall, the biggest rescue hero of them all. Grab the giant blocks, go click, clack, snap. Click, clack, snap. Click, clack, snap. Building up the bridge across the gap. The storm is blowing fluffy candy rain, but we can change our shape like an airplane. Helicopter blades go spin, spin, spin. Spin, spin, spin. Spin, spin, spin. Blowing all the clouds away. We win. Here comes the Mega-Mech, strong and tall, the biggest rescue hero of them all. Grab the giant blocks, go click, clack, snap. Building up the bridge across the gap. Here comes the Mega-Mech, strong and tall, the biggest rescue hero of them all. Grab the giant blocks, go click, clack, snap. Click, clack, snap. Click, clack, snap. Building up the bridge across the gap. Click, clack, snap. Mega-Mech is
Friend! Best friends forever! Let's play! Yeah!
Driving a Mega-Mech makes me thirsty. Time for some water.
So listen!
Wait! Listen! A sonar signal. A baby whale is stuck in a plastic ghost net under the sea. Activate the deep sea bubble submarine. Dive, dive, dive down under the ocean, deep and blue. A baby whale is calling out to you. Tangled in the net of plastic trash. He cannot swim and make a mighty splash. Bloop, 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 bloop. In the submarine, making sure the ocean is nice and clean. Snip, 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 snip. With the laser light, now the baby whale is feeling right. We love the ocean, yes we do. So let's clean up the trash for me and you. Activate the vacuum, suck it up. Sloop, sloop, sloop the plastic cup. Bloop, 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 bloop. In the submarine, making sure the ocean is nice and clean. Snip, 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 snip. With the laser light, now the baby whale is feeling right. The ocean is clean.
Yeah! The ocean's clean.
The ocean is clean. Let's take a deep breath to relax. Exhale. Leo, it's getting dark. Wait, what is that sound?
It's getting dark.
A little star in the galaxy is covered in space dust. It cannot shine and it is scared of the dark. Space helmets on. To the Stardust Sweeper.
To the Stardust.
Floating in the galaxy, high above the ground, where all the little planets slowly spin around. A tiny star is howling, covered in the gray, too scared of the dark to come out and play. Floating in the starry night, we will help you shine so bright. Vacuum up the stardust nice and slow, getting ready for your magic glow. Now it's time for polish. Spray it everywhere. Floating in the air. Twinkle, twinkle, little star so bright. Close your sleepy eyes.